Welcome to HRX360. In this video, we'll walk you through the Department Master feature, where you can efficiently manage and organize your company's departments. To get started, navigate to the Setup menu, then select HR Configuration. Under HR Configuration, click on Department. This will take you to the Department Master page. On this page, you'll see a list of all existing departments. From here, you can view department details, edit an existing department, or add a new one. Click the Add Department button to create a new department. Enter the department code, a unique code for the department. Then enter the department name. Once done, click Add to save the new department. Upon successful submission, you'll see the message, Department added successfully. To update an existing department, click the Edit icon next to the department. Make the necessary changes and click Edit to update. Upon successful update, you'll see the message, Department updated successfully. To delete an existing department, click the Delete icon. A confirmation dialog box will appear, warning you that this action cannot be undone. If you're certain, click Delete to permanently remove the department. Otherwise, click Cancel to go back. Once deleted, you'll receive a confirmation message, Department deleted successfully. To export your department details to an Excel file, click the download icon located on the top right of the department list. The system will generate an Excel file containing all the department details. This allows you to easily manage or share the data outside the system. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage departments in HRX360. Thank you for watching, and happy using HRX360.